Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to maintenance your home AC or HVAC. Normally you have filters either on the ceiling. This is on the ceiling right now. This is my master bedroom door. Sometimes you might have it inside a closet or on the wall. So I have 3 different sizes. Each one should be 20 by 20. So I have my ladder ready. And we're also going to check on the furnace. Here's another one right here. This one might be 20 by 24. I gotta check. There's the entrance for the attic. So I have another filter that's right here. That'll be this one right here. Okay. Normally there's like 2 of the tabs on each side. You need to put it down. But you gotta be careful. Once you put both sides down, that metal cover is gonna fall down. So you gotta make sure you have a support on that, so it doesn't fall on your head or your eyes or hit you in the face. So yeah, let's go ahead and check on the master bedroom filter first. As you can see, a bunch of spider web. You want to go ahead and use like a vacuum to vacuum those out, so your AC will work more efficiency. Okay. If your electricity is going up higher than usual, then you need to go check on your filter and also your AC condenser on the outside of the house. You also need to clean those coils. So as you can see, this one is 20 by 20 by 1 inch. So I believe I changed this not too long ago, so still clean. So yeah, if yours is dirty, and if you don't have money or anything to spend on it, you might want to go ahead and vacuum it real quick, okay? If you don't have money, because this filter could range from $10 to $20, and if you have 3 of them, it might be like 30 something bucks. And as you can see, around the edges is kind of dirty. You want to go ahead and clean the dirt or the dust out. By the way, make sure you clean all 4 corners. I'll show you different angles. And be sure when you install the new filter, make sure you look at the airflow right here. Okay, airflow. It has to go up. See how much dirt I collect? You could also use your vacuum with a brush. Yeah, this one's dirty. Whoa. Alright, so I checked on the third one. It's not that dirty, but I kind of vacuumed real quick, but it is not dirty at all. Alright, so we're gonna go up in the attic. Got my ladder ready. I need to use both of my hands. It's kind of dark right up there. Oh, spooky. Alright, so I went out all the way. There's a canister or recessed light. You see the furnace. I turn on the switch for the light right here. Alright, so I got my lights over here. So I came here last time to fix the furnace because the fan wasn't blowing. So that's why I roll upstairs. And I had to change the running capacitor. So we have two units. One is the downstairs, one is upstairs. I'm gonna check it out. Someday I left the PVC pipe here. And this one is the downstairs. So in case you guys don't have the switch for the furnace, you need to unplug it for safety, okay? And this is for the downstairs plug right here. Well, anyway, some of my furnace, I cannot find the filter door. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.